Ferret Finder. Simple little things, and they're very handy for finding lost ferrets or absent without leave ferrets. But they're also very useful for tracing drains. And unfortunately, they don't make them anymore. So we've got to look after it. Anyway, when you're tracing drains, the problem is fastening the Ferret Finder collar to the end of the drain rods. I do think you can buy a proprietary thing for doing it, but this was my answer. I'll put it on there where we can see it. It's a Filmac stop end for 20mm alkathene pipe. There. So I ground the corner off it just to make it less likely to catch on ridges in the pipe. I actually had to hollow it out slightly more with a rotary burr to make the collar fit inside it. And this is the brass end off a drain rod, and I brazed a stainless steel washer onto it. That fits in that part. That screws on there, and of course that fits on the end of the drain rod, and it was very, very successful. I did originally make a metal one, but the Ferret Finder didn't work through the metal. Finder locator turned right down at minimum sensitivity at the moment. There we are. Until we find the strongest signal. We just move the thing around until we find the strongest signal and mark the point with a rock or something. Here we are. Trace the drains all the way across the yard.